Hunter Biden is facing tax and firearms charges in a case that seemed all but settled a few weeks ago. Now, the Attorney General has appointed a special counsel, meaning more serious charges could be in the pipeline for Joe Biden's son. Last month, Hunter Biden's plea deal over tax evasion and a gun charge collapsed after U.S. District Court Judge Maryellen Noreika, who was appointed by Trump, raised multiple concerns about the specifics. Republicans had derided that agreement as a sweetheart deal as they pushed their own probe into Hunter Biden's business dealings. Here's a look at what Hunter Biden is accused of, why a special counsel was appointed, and what, if anything, this has to do with Joe Biden. What is Hunter Biden accused of and charged with? According to a letter filed in U.S. District Court in Delaware, Hunter Biden has been charged with misdemeanor charges of failing to pay federal income tax. Court documents allege that he failed to pay more than $200,000 in federal income taxes for 2017 and 2018. The federal probe into Hunter Biden began in 2018, bursting into public view in December 2021, month after the presidential election, when he revealed that he had received a subpoena as part of the Justice Department's scrutiny of his taxes. That subpoena sought information on the younger Biden's business dealings with a number of entities, including Burisma, a Ukraine gas company, whose board he joined in 2014. That move sparked concerns about the perceptions of a conflict of interest, given the elder Biden was deeply involved in U.S. policy toward Ukraine. An investigation by the then Republican-controlled Senate did not identify any policies that were directly affected by Hunter Biden's work. At the time of that subpoena, Hunter Biden said that he was confident that a professional and objective review of these matters will demonstrate that I handled my affairs legally and appropriately, including with the benefit of professional tax advisors. Why did Attorney General Merrick Garland appoint a special counsel? Special counsels are typically appointed to investigate cases where the Justice Department perceives itself as having a conflict or where it's deemed to be in the public interest. As special counsels, they aren't subject to day-to-day supervision from the Justice Department, though they are still overseen by the Attorney General. Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed a special counsel Friday in the Hunter Biden probe, a surprise move that intensifies the investigation into the president's son ahead of the 2024 election. Garland noted the extraordinary circumstances of the matter as he named David Weiss, the Trump-appointed U.S. attorney in Delaware who had already been probing Hunter Biden's financial dealings. As special counsel after plea deal talks in the case broke down, the sudden turn of events raises fresh questions about the case against Hunter Biden on tax evasion and a gun charge, deepening an investigation that was close to resolution just weeks ago. Weiss had asked to be named special counsel, gaining broad authority to investigate and report out his findings. What, if anything, does this have to do with Joe Biden? The collapse of the younger Biden's plea deal came as joyful news to House Republicans vying to connect him and his questionable business dealings to his father. The judge did the obvious thing, they put a pause on the plea deal, so I think that was progress. Representative James Comer, the Republican chairman of the House Oversight Committee, said, "I think it adds credibility to what we're doing." He added that this will only propel their investigation to get answers as to what the family did and what level of involvement the president had. Comer has been investigating Hunter Biden's financial ties and transactions since gaining the gavel in January. The Kentucky lawmaker has obtained thousands of pages of financial records from various members of the